Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're exploring Zanzibar, a captivating island located in the Indian Ocean and part of Tanzania. One of the must-visit places here is Stone Town, a historic city with a dark past. Stone Town played a significant role in the Arab slave trade, where enslaved Africans were brought from different regions and sold in the notorious slave market. The conditions were deplorable, and slaves were confined in cramped and unsanitary chambers, like the catacombs beneath Stone Town. Today, Stone Town is a UNESCO World Heritage Site, serving as a reminder of the painful history of slavery. Visitors can wander through its narrow streets, visit the former slave market, and learn about the abolition of slavery. Don't forget to subscribe and join me for more exciting adventures.